Hello students, welcome back to the class. So in the last class we discussed regarding theory of reaction rate, that is collision theory of reaction rate, and Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation, the equation showing the relationship between rate of a chemical reaction and absolute temperature. आम last class रे पढ़िथिलु छुआ collision theory of reaction rate and Arrhenius equation. Then today we will discuss the activation energy and its application. I have already told you what is activation energy. Now it is the qualifying norm for a reactant molecule to participate in a chemical reaction. जो रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल पाखरे एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी बा ताठो अधिक एनर्जी अछि से माने रिएक्शन में भाग नै परिबे एवं से माने ही रेट डिसाइड करिवे. हायर इज द नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल्स क्वालिफाइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट और पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द केमिकल रिएक्शन, हायर विल बी द रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. जेते से संख्याटा कमी कमी जीवो, लोअर विल बी द नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल्स पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द केमिकल रिएक्शन, ऑब्वियसली लोअर विल बी द रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. सो the activation energy plays a vital role in deciding the rate of a chemical reaction. So next, as I told you, we will discuss applications of activation energy. What are the applications of activation energy? So I have told you the definition already, so I am not repeating the definition. So simply discussing the applications of activation energy. कौन कौन application हुए? जो फर्स्ट कहली, इट्स मेन रोल इज टू डिसाइड द रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. हाउ ना, फॉर अ गिवन रिएक्शन, फॉर अ गिवन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फॉर अ गिवन रिएक्शन द रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन is inversely proportional to activation energy. So you know the meaning of inversely proportional. That means higher will be the value of activation energy, lower will be the rate of the reaction, and vice versa. That means lower will be the value of activation energy, higher will be the rate of reaction. So how can we decide this? Now if we express rate of reaction in terms of rate constant, they are at par, because rate constant is the rate of a chemical reaction when the concentration of the reactants are unity. जेतल concentration of the reactant 1 mole per liter हबो, ताले कोन हबो, rate of the chemical reaction will be equal to rate constant. So normally we express rate constant as rate of reaction. हम Arrhenius equation पढिथिलु, we have already discussed Arrhenius equation हम already पढि सारि छुआ. We have already discussed it, Arrhenius equation. So as per Arrhenius equation हम कोन पढिथिलु छुआ ना, rate constant is equal to a Arrhenius frequency vector into e to the power minus EA by RT. So it is clearly evident from this relationship that if K represents the rate of the reaction, so higher is the value of activation energy, lower will be the value of K. काहे की ना या value जते अधिक हबो या value कम हबो, काहे की ना, because it is the negative power जेतु अछि, so higher will be the value of activation energy, lower will be the rate of the reaction, and vice versa. That means what we can write, reactions with high activation energy, high value of activation energy will have low rate of reaction. तेणु जहाँ एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी जेते अधिक हबो ता रिएक्शन रेट ता सेते अधिक हबो, बिकॉज़ लेसर नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल्स विल क्वालिफाई टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द केमिकल रिएक्शन. जेहेतु कम संख्यार भाग नेबे, ऑब्वियसली रेट ता कम हबो. सेमती लो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी, लो वैल्यू ऑफ एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी will give rise to high rate of reaction. So this is the first point, the first application of activation energy. It decides the rate of the reaction. ता value जते कम, rate ता सेते अधिका, and vice versa. That means ता value जते अधिका, rate ता सेते कम. So next application, for a given value of, कौन already, for a given value of activation energy, another factor plays an important role, that is F, fraction of reactant molecules participating in the chemical reaction. F, already I have told you what is F. That is the number of reactant molecules having energy equal to or more than activation energy divided by total number of reactant molecule. यदि total number of reactant molecule जो माने क्वालिफाई करछन रिएक्शन में भाग न पाए, सेही फ्रैक्शन टा हम कहू F. So for a given value of activation energy, case 1 रे आसीबो when F is equal to 0 or very low, 0 or low, ताले कोन हबो, low rate of reaction, slow reaction हबो छ, then the rate of the reaction will be slow reaction. ताले f रो वैल्यू जेतरा बहुत कम हे जिवो देन द रिएक्शन विल बी स्लो रिएक्शन सिमिलरली केस 2 रे पकेवा छुआ when the value of f that is fraction of reactant molecules having energy equal to or more than activation energy is moderate मजा मजी रहिबो ना लो ना हाई then the rate of the reaction will be moderate so the reaction will be moderate reaction case 3 when the value of f is very high बहुत अधिक हबो माने बहुत संख्या रे रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल भाग नेबे रिएक्शन ले ताले कोन हबो वेरी फास्ट रिएक्शन हबो सो द रिएक्शन इज ए फास्ट रिएक्शन rate will be very high so for a given value of activation energy from the value of f there is fraction of reactant molecules qualifying to participate in the chemical reaction we can predict the rate of the reaction को माने slow reaction हेबे को माने moderate reaction हेबे को माने fast reaction हेबे okay so f decides the rate of reaction also okay then third point for highly combustible or explosive reactions highly combustible or explosive reactions the value of activation energy is very high thankfully it is very high जदि अधिक लय जाता कोन जाता कहिथिल छुआ ना स्पॉन्टेनियस कंबशन होता ऑटो कंबशन होता एक्सप्लोसिव कंबशन होता ताले इंस्टेंटली कंबशन हो जाता ताले बहुत फायर हैजर्ड्स क्रिएट करता सो थैंकफुली फॉर हाईली कंबस्टिबल और एक्सप्लोसिव रिएक्शंस द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी इज वेरी हाई व्हिच सेव्स अस फ्रॉम फायर हैजर्ड्स ओके सो दीज आर द एप्लीकेशंस of activation energy tar application mon rakhibo cha next we will discuss Arrhenius equation again and determination of activation energy how to determine the value of activation energy from Arrhenius equation okay then next students will discuss activation energy and Arrhenius equation how to find out the value of activation energy using Arrhenius equation so again we will write down the Arrhenius equation and various forms of it. So first we write down Arrhenius equation and various forms of it. So what is Arrhenius equation? Now K, rate constant of a chemical reaction is equal to A, that is Arrhenius frequency factor into E to the power minus EA by RT. I have already told you what are these factors. K is the rate constant, A is the Arrhenius frequency factor which is a constant for a given reaction koichi ebong you have to remember it is a constant for a given reaction what is that Arrhenius frequency factor now it is the number of properly oriented reactant molecules colliding per unit time per unit volume so next E small e is the base of natural logarithm EA is activation energy R is universal gas constant whose value you have to remember 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole and T is the absolute temperature that means when temperature is expressed in Kelvin scale okay so by expanding so this is the first form of Arrhenius equation जोड़ा मुझे कोई चल रही that will be equation 1 then if we expand it what will be the expanded form now ln K why ln now because there is E called now E is the base of natural logarithm that means it is not for log it is for ln ln it is for ln so when there is E तो हम expand करिए when it is expanded we have to write down ln so what will be ln K now ln A minus EA by RT EA by RT so this is another form of Arrhenius equation ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT then remember a trick how to convert ln into log now ln K is equal to 2.303 log K okay is equal to so we have to multiply 2.303 into convert ln into log ln टाको log convert करे पे what we have to do now we have to multiply with 2.303 ताले केते हिजो छुआ ना 2.303 log a सिमिलरली एठी भी मल्टीप्लाई करिया छुआ 2.303 log a minus ea by rt. Okay, then dividing 2.303, what we will get implies that log k is equal to log a minus ea by 2.303 rt. 2.303 rt. So this is equation 3, another form of Arrhenius equation. Okay, so this is how you have to follow the expansions. केमती expansion कली follow करिवो ताकु छुआ, and 1 2 3 are various forms of Arrhenius equation. So by using these equations we will find out the value of activation energy. So for determination of activation energy we have to follow two processes, two methods. One is graphical method, another is mathematical method. So to follow the graphical method you have to first get the idea of equation of straight line, because mostly the graphs will be asked as a question. So for that you should have the idea of equation of straight line. So the basic idea I am giving you, equation of straight line. Con? Now y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the equation of straight line. Remember, whenever any graph is asked to you, जेतरा गोटे ग्राफ तुम पचार जीवो, we will try to fit it into this form. आमे को फॉर्म फिट करियो चेष्टा करिवा ना इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन. So what does it mean? देखिबा कोन हबो. So our application हला, graphical application हला, if we plot a graph between y in this axis and x along x axis, ताले कोन हबो ना, it will be a straight line. It will be a straight line like this. Graph ta केमथि हबो छुआ ना, it will be a straight line. So what data we will get from this? आमे कोन करलु y versus x, we plotted a graph. ताले कोन होछि, because it fits into equation of straight line, the graph will be a straight line. Graph ta कोन सरल रेखा हबो, straight line हबो. So from this we can find out the value of slope, that is tan theta. Slope केते हे जिवो ना, whatever will be the value of m. M is for slope. तेनो एठी m value जहा थिबो सेटा हबो slope. ताले ए y axis रे जोटा इंटरसेप्ट छाडिला, इंटरसेप्ट सेटा केते हबो ना, whatever is the value of c. C is, remember, c means intercept, m for slope. तेनु m means slope and c is intercept. So in some cases the intercept will be 0. जो केस रे intercept c टा 0 हे जिवो, then the graph will pass to the origin. ताले graph टा origin देकी pass कर जिवो. So this is the graph for a positive slope. For a positive slope, m value जतरा positive होउची, ताले graph will be कोन होउची, तळु ऊपर को जाउची, ascending. Graph will be ascending in nature. तळु ऊपर को जिवो. मन कर छुआ नहीं गला में आउट इक्वेशन y is equal to minus m x plus c. ताले एठी ग्राफ टा स्लोप टा कोन हेला छुआ नेगेटिव. फॉर दिस the slope is negative. ताले ग्राफ कोन हबो, it will be a straight line because it fits into equation of straight line y is equal to mx plus c. ताले कोन हबो छुआ ना, से सेम ग्राफ जदि हम प्लॉट करिबा, if we plot the same graph between y taken along the y axis, x taken along the x axis, ताले कोन हबो, it will be a straight line. किंतु मन रखिबो जेतु नेगेटिव स्लोप अछि, then it will be a descending one. ताले ग्राफ टा कोन हबो, ऊपरु तळको आसीबो, it will be a descending one. Slope केते हबो? So for this what will be the slope? Slope कहि छि छुआ m जगह जहा अछि that will be slope. एटी केते अछि minus m. Intercept will be c. Intercept will be c. जहा c जगह अछि that is the intercept. तेनु मन रखिबो छुआ, for negative slope, for negative slope, जेतला m value negative थिबो, the graph has to be descending in nature. Descending माने ऊपरु तळको आसीबो. Descending means going down, ऊपरु तळको आसीबो. So that you have to keep in mind. भल कम रखिबो काहे कि ना, in kinetics chapter mostly we will go for graphs. आमे ग्राफ पय जिवो, तेनु तुमको बेसिक प्रिंसिपल टा बुझे देली. I told you what is the basic principle. जहां भी दिया है ग्राफ, we will first try to fit it into equation of straight line. प्रथमे कोथे से फिट करबा ना, equation of straight line. जदि फिट हो गला कोन करबा व्हाट इज टेकन अलोंग द y एक्सिस हमें लेफ्ट साइड रखबा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे व्हाट इज टेकन अलोंग द x एक्सिस विल पुट हियर देन व्हिच कांस्टेंट इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ द x विल बी द स्लोप एंड प्लस एनी नंबर और 0 इज द इंटरसेप्ट जदि 0 इंटरसेप्ट होता है ताले द स्ट्रेट लाइन विल पास टू द ओरिजिन दे पास कर जीवो और द इंटरसेप्ट था टिके ऊपर को जीवो दिस इज फॉर पॉजिटिव स्लोप व्हेन m इज पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पाई कोन हे जीवो छुआ ना इट बी डिसेंडिंग ग्राफ ऊपर तळको आसीबो स्लोप केते हेबो -m इंटरसेप्ट हे जीवो c फॉर नेगेटिव स्लोप मन रखिबो इट इज अ डिसेंडिंग ग्राफ फॉर पॉजिटिव स्लोप इट इज एन असेंडिंग ग्राफ तो दिस इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल एटा पूरा क्लियरली बुझियो छुआ माइंड रखिबो काहे कि ना अगेन एंड अगेन एटा हमें अप्लाई करबा विल अप्लाई these things again and again okay so next we'll discuss how to find out the value of activation energy using these graphs so next students will go for determination of activation energy determination of activation energy determination of activation energy EA so I have already told you we can determine the value of activation energy in two methods one is graphical method another is mathematical method so first we'll discuss the graphical method first one is the graphical method so for this what we'll do now we'll plot a graph between log k taken along this axis versus reciprocal of absolute temperature reciprocal माने 1 by so versus reciprocal of absolute temperature so for this we will draw a graph between log k versus reciprocal of absolute temperature so look at equation 3 को देखो so using this equation we will try to fit this equation into form of equation of straight line कोई said already whenever any graph is asked to you first we will try to fit it into equation of straight line एटा देखो y axis रे का कोनी आइची log k has been taken along the y axis x axis रे का कोनी आइची ना reciprocal of absolute temperature तेनु whatever is taken in place of y will be on the left hand side whatever will be in place of x will be in the right hand side so हम rearranging equation 3 ताले लिखिबा छुआ rearranging equation 3 हम कोन पाइबा देखिबा टारगेट मन रखछो टारगेट होची लेफ्ट हैंड साइड log के जेमति अछि सेमति रहिबा बाकी एटा को मल्टीप्लाइड फॉर्म रे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y = mx + c रे पुट करबा देखो आई कैन राइट log k is equal to minus EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T एटा खाली मैं एक्सपांड करी ए फॉर्म में लिखि छी आई हैव ओनली एक्सपांडेड दिस वन प्लस के रह गला log a so why I have written like this now if you follow my next step you can know why I have written like this देखो बर्तन आसी गला y is equal to m into x plus c look we have taken log k along the y axis ठीक अछि छुआ x axis रे कोन नैचु reciprocal of absolute temperature ठीक अछि that means this will fit into equation of straight line y is equal to mx plus c but condition कोन here there is a negative slope आसी गला छुआ negative slope आसी गला कोन हबो it will be a descending line एबे जस्ट कहिछि so what will be the graph now it will be a descending graph तळ को आसीबो ऊपरु हला it will be a descending graph slope केते हि जिवो छुआ the value of slope सेठी आ किछि देखिबोनी whatever is there in place of m जहां भी अछि m जगह रे that is the slope केते अछि छुआ ना slope is equal to minus ea by 2.303 r minus ea by 2.303 r so this question is frequently asked if a graph is plotted between log k and reciprocal of absolute temperature what will be the slope of the graph what will be the answer na minus ea by 2.303 r okay what will be the intercept c जगह जहां अछि that is the intercept log a will be the intercept okay then For your revision, I am giving you assignment 1. Assignment 1. What will be the slope of the graph when a graph is plotted between क्या कहा मित्रे ना ln k versus absolute temperature, reciprocal of absolute temperature. এটা ছুয়া versus means ln k versus reciprocal of absolute temperature. যেমতি কি ছুয়া করছি কোন log k versus reciprocal of absolute temperature. तुमको क्वेश्चन देली if a graph is plotted between ln k versus reciprocal of absolute temperature, what will be the slope of the graph? So you have to solve it. Purpose here you have to fit this equation 2 को बर्तन पड़े जिवो because here it is in the form of ln. तो equation 2 को rewrite करिवो, try to fit it into equation of straight line. fit करिवो जहां y axis रछि ताको left hand side रखिवो, whatever there is in the y axis will be kept on the left hand side. x टा को multiply करी गोटे constant संग रखिवो, that constant will be the slope. Okay, so I think you can solve this assignment. So solve it and send it to me. Okay, so this is all about your graphical method. Look at the slope. If we draw or plot a graph between log k and reciprocal of absolute temperature, the slope will give you the value of activation energy. So what will be the value of activation energy by using this relationship? What will be the value of activation energy? Activation energy will be to slope into 2.303 R. So by using this relationship, you can find out the value of activation energy from the slope. Activation energy will be slope into 2.303 R. Okay, so this is how you can find out the value of activation energy. R value I have already told you, it is a constant 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So this is how we can find out or determine the value of activation energy by graphical method. So next we will discuss the mathematical method. Okay, next students will go for the mathematical method. We have already discussed the graphical method. Graphically how can we determine the value of activation energy. Then next mathematically how can we determine the value of activation energy. So next is the number 2 is the mathematical method. Mathematical method. So for this you have to remember this form of your RMS equation. Kaiki? Now because we can have the value of log, not ln. So we have to use the logarithm form of RMS equation. Remember that. Kaiki? Now हमको log table provide करा जियो, will be provided with log table, not ln table. So we have to go for this form of RMS equation. Log k is equal to log a minus EA by 2.303 RT. Okay, so this equation gives you the relationship between rate constant k and absolute temperature T. And if we change the temperature for a given reaction, the value of A, RMS frequency factor is constant. So for a given reaction, if you change the value of K or if you change the value of T, then the other one will change. So let us assume that let K1 be the rate constant when the absolute temperature is T1. कौन assume कर ले ना K1 is the rate constant when the absolute temperature is T1. When the absolute temperature is raised to T2, जब हमें बढ़े दूँ तब T2, ताले कौन होगा rate constant value change है जिसको let it be K2. So K2 is the rate constant at absolute temperature T2. Condition कौन ना given क्या higher अच्छी ना T2 is greater than T1. T2 is greater than T1. हम temperature increase करीशु. So let K1 is the rate constant at absolute temperature T1. So when the temperature is increased to T2, the rate constant value will change as per RMS equation. RMS equation से कौन होगा ना rate constant रा value change हो let it be K2. assumption धर ले. So एटा equation 1 कर दियो जोड़ा हमने खींचू. So applying equation 1 here, what will be log K1? Log K1 will be log A minus EA by 2.303 R T1. Temperature T1 अच्छी छुआ सेटा मेंशन करिवो. So let it be equation 2. Let it be equation 2. Similarly, what will be log K2? Log K2 will be equal to log A minus काहेकि ना कहिछि for a given reaction value of Arrhenius frequency factor is a constant. ताको चेंज करिवो नाही. Will be EA minus EA by 2.303 RT2. RT2. K2 by T2, K1 by T1. I am already assume kori sarchu. Let it be equation 3. Then keep it in mind, always will go for K2 minus K1. So equation 3 minus equation 2. Log आमे कोन रखिया टारगेट log K2 minus log K1 लवा तेणु कोन करिवा will deduce equation 2 from equation 3. Equation 3 minus equation 2 gives कोन दबा देखिबा कोन करिवा आमे 3 ରୁ 2 को माइनस करिया ताले log K2 minus log K1 केते हिजो छुआ log K2 केते ना log A minus EA by 2.303 R T2 minus log A এটা মাইনাস মাইনাস এগুলা কোন হইছে প্লাস প্লাস EA by 2.303 R T1 বুঝ পারলো ছুয়া দেখো log A will cancel out cancel হই গলা তারপরে এটা ফার্স্ট লিখি দবা সো জানিছো ছুয়া log m minus log n কেতে log m by n তেনো log K2 minus log K1 কেতে হিজবো log K2 by K1 তুমি ডাইরেক্টলি লিখলি ছুয়া log এটা কেতে হিজবো K2 by K1 log K2 by K1 কাহিকি না log m minus log n কেতে না log m by n log K2 by K1 কেতে হিজবো ছুয়া দেখো এটা আগে নেই যাবা EA by 2.303 R कॉमन নেই যাবা কেতে 1 into 1 by T1 minus 2.303 এটা কমন নেইছু EA by তাহলে minus 1 by T2 ওকে তাহলে এটা কেতে হিজো ছুয়া দেখো EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 कोई T2 is greater than T1 so T2 minus T1 will be a positive quantity divided by T1 into T2 तो এটা সলভ করলে আমি পাইবা so implies that log K2 by K1 is equal to this much. Okay, so you have to remember this form or using this equation. So equation 4 कर दियो काहे in some cases it will be asked. So log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. Okay, so from this we can have the value of activation energy. So what will be the value of activation energy? EA. Keep it in this side. এটা একপাটে রাখো বাকিটা একপাটে নিয়ে আসো দেখো কেতে হই যাচ্ছে log K2 by K1 into 2.303 R R value কইছি কোন লিখিবো 2.303 R multiply হই গলা into T1 into T2 two temperatures at Kelvin scale divided by এটা ডিভাইড হই যাচ্ছে divided by T2 minus T1 T2 minus T1 so this is how you can find out the value of activation energy mathematically. So which data you require? Now you require two values of rate constant at two different temperatures. Mostly the temperature will be given in Celsius unit, Celsius scale. So what is your first step? You have to convert it into Kelvin step. Kelvin scale को आगे convert करिवो Celsius से दिया है. So you need the value of K1, T1, K2 and T2. But in some questions, what will be given? Now how many times the rate has increased? That means K2 by K1 ratio will be given to you. Suppose the question will be like this. Where the temperature is increased by 10 degrees Celsius, the rate of a chemical reaction gets doubled. The means K2 और K1 with relationship कौन? ना K2 is equal to 2 into K1. So what will be K2 by K1? ना 2. So you have to remember like this. Mostly हमको comparison by question दिया जाएगा. If the question is given directly K2 K1 दिटा value दिया है, T1 T2 दिटा value दिया है, no problem. But comparison question भी आसी. Okay. So this is equation 5. Mathematically, how you can derive the value of activation energy. R value, remember where R value you have to remember 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So this value you have to remember. This is a constant, universal gas constant, 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay. So this is how mathematically the activation energy is determined. So I am giving you an assignment here. Write down the assignment. In the next class we will discuss it. Write down the question. So when the temperature for a given reaction, when the temperature is increased from 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, when the temperature is increased from 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction gets doubled. दुई गुण हो गला. So for a given reaction, what is the question? For a given reaction, when the temperature is increased from 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, the rate of the reaction gets doubled. Find out the value of activation energy. By using this, you have to find out the value of activation energy. Okay. So try it. तुमको कोई चीज़ नहीं comparison रेट दिया है रेट double है that means you have to follow K2 by K1 is equal to 2. And for this, for solving these questions, you have to remember some logarithm values. Called log 2, log 3, log 5, log 7. These values at least you have to remember. Okay. Now log table देखी सीखियो. You have to know how to see the log table because log table will be provided in the examination. But barring that, तुमको जोड़ा कहली log 2, log 3, log 5, log 7 एतिकी value मन रख दियो. Mostly our purpose solve हो जाओ. Our purpose will be solved if you remember the values of log 2 which is 0.301. सेमती log 3 मन रखियो, log 5, log 7. So you have to remember these values. So this is the assignment 2 for you. You can easily solve it. Try it. If you cannot, I will solve it in the next class. जदि पारिबोनी मु solve कर देबी. But questions will be asked like this. Okay, students. So this is all about your activation energy, its application and determination. So in the next class, we will discuss factors influencing rate of a chemical reaction. So students, this is for today. See you in the next class.